Hello students, and especially to you, Chris. Chris, you and I have interacted on YouTube before and also on TikTok, and I'm here to remind you that I still think that you should become vegan because you have a huge following and you can make a real difference in the world. Now right now what you're doing is you are doing something that's kind of nice. I would say you're making people happy through your videos, but there is so much more that you can do. This is Bella. She has been vegan since August 2017. Now you have a dog. Your dog's name is Kevin. Dog is super cute. Just like all dogs and all animals are cute in their own way. I want to ask you, would you be able to take a knife and a fork and slice into your dog and eat him? I think the answer is that you could never do that, right? Now, would you be able to eat another dog that you'd never met, that somebody else killed? Let's say you went to the grocery store or let's say McDonald's started serving golden retriever burgers. Would you be able to eat those? I think the answer would be probably, Miss Katie, I could never do that. So let's take it a step further now. Now you are eating a burger that contains the body of a cow. What is the difference, Chris? Somebody else killed an innocent being to put inside a burger that you with your own money paid for, which is essentially you paying for that animal's murder. You know it's wrong. I know you know it's wrong. And I know that you can make a huge difference here on social media. You probably also know that I've reached out to all kinds of creators who have millions of followers. And the reason that I do that is because you guys have way more of a reach than I do. So I want anybody who's watching this video, in case Call Me Chris doesn't see it, to tell her that I did a video about her and to tell her that I have an important message for her. And whether Chris becomes vegan or not, each person here who has seen this video, and there will be thousands of you, try to ask yourselves the same question. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that anybody can be vegan no matter how old you are. So you're going to be healthy. I mean, that is just bonus. When I first became vegan, I wasn't really sure whether I could be healthy. I was like, I don't know, maybe all these people are lying. I didn't know. But that was almost 6 years ago. But now I realize after studying more and more, there's doctors who are vegan, there are vegans in the Olympics. I mean, there are all kinds of people who are vegan. My own doctor's vegan. I know a dentist in my neighborhood who's vegan. I mean, you just have to look. Just, Google vegan people and you'll see them all over the place, right? So, Call Me Chris. Chris, I want you in your videos to start putting some vegan characters in there and to not use the terms in such a derogatory way. Okay, it's not that hard. Just literally do a couple of things to start with, like product placement. Like just put some soy milk in the background of one of your videos. Like just, you know how people are, they look at everything. They're gonna pause the video like, what's she got there? What's in the background? So put some soy milk in the background if you're doing a shot in your kitchen, right? You can also, think for yourself, what can you do? Can you not just say, hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and guess what I ate today? I ate a Beyond Meat burger. And you guys should try them. And then you get on with talking. You see, Chris, it literally takes 1 or 2 sentences and it would plant the seed for people because it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. And your audience is just watching everything that you do. You know how you just cut your bangs the other day? Do you know how many people actually went out and cut their bangs because Chris cut her bangs? Like, honestly, look at my bangs, okay? They're here. And I honestly thought to myself, well, maybe I should cut my bangs too. This is how we influence each other. And just in the same way that somebody's going to see this shirt, this sweatshirt here, and, I'm going to say, hey, you know what it used to say on there? I don't remember what, like Abercrombie and Fitch or Gap or something like that. So I just blotted it out And I painted a message on here, which could be a conversation starter, which shows that I care about veganism. So if I'm out at a coffee shop or the grocery store, you know, people are like, excuse me, I see you're wearing a vegan shirt. So just to let you know, I'm vegan too. Or can you tell me why you're vegan? So imagine what it would be like, Chris, if you did as a little craft, okay, a 5-minute craft, probably a bit longer than that, okay? But you take some white paint and you just blot it on here, make a little background, paint something on there. And you can even, if you want to, talk about vegan paint. Try to do a Google for vegan paint. Just say, you know what, I'm going to try and do what that vegan teacher said. I'm going to try to paint something, and I'm going to Google vegan paint. And if you can't find it, Chris, what are you going to do now? Just say, well, that's it. We should never be vegan because we can't find vegan paint. Is that your solution? Or, Chris, do you think that you could say, well, let me see if I have anything lying around here, left over, that's, you know, going to end up in a landfill anyway, right? Show your thought process, because being vegan is about doing the least harm, Chris. And how you can do the least harm is for sure stop talking about eating dino nuggets or something on your channel. Now, I don't know if you still have that kid of yours with the little hands who's asking for them, but, you know, have the kid ask her vegan nuggets. Like, there's so much that you can do to help. I know you know it. And it's not going to make you lose your audience. In fact, it's going to make you gain an audience, Chris, because it's going to show that you have a social conscience. Just like when you did those ads for the Vessi shoes, remember? You said that they were vegan. So everyone heard you say the word vegan. And I don't know how many people bought those shoes, but by the way, everyone, if you want to buy some vegan shoes, go ahead and, you know, buy those ones or Google vegan shoes. Now, I personally have not got any money from any company. And you know why, of course, because I'm a bit controversial. But there's nothing controversial about you right now, is there, Chris? Right? You're walking the line to make sure that everybody likes you. And, you know, that's not my thing. I'm not here to be liked. I'm here to tell the truth. I'm here to make a real difference for the animals. And unfortunately, you know, sometimes I have to be a bit, you'd say mean. It seems like I'm mean, but I'm not really, because it's like, let's say your kid's running across the street and you yell at them and you grab them because you're like, you don't want them to get hit by a car. That's not being mean. That's trying to save their life, right? It's trying to make sure that nothing bad happens. That's what I have to do sometimes. To get people's attention, I have to be mean, but it's not mean. And you also know that, Chris. I know you know it. I know that you know that I'm here for the right reason. Anyway, I'm here in Canada. I don't know if by now you probably moved to California or something like that. Actually, I don't really know. I don't follow. I know you have a house or something. But anyway, if you're here in Canada and you're ever in Montreal, you'll come and ring my doorbell and let's have a little chat. Okay? I want you to write me in my email. My email is itsthatveganteachermisskadie with dots in between. itsthatveganteachermisskadie@gmail. I want you to write me. I want you to say, Miss Kadie, I've decided to try to be vegan, or to try to at least, you know, talk about veganism on my channel, to start thinking about it. And it would make my day. And I know that if Bella knew what we were talking about, she would be happy. And I know that Kevin, your dog, would be really happy too, knowing that you are starting to care about the animals. Okay? So, thank you for listening. Thank you everybody else for listening. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. It really helps me out. Press the like button if you think this channel has value. Even if you don't like particularly everything that I'm saying, you can press the like button anyway, because you probably agree that we shouldn't be censoring people who are trying to make the world a better place. I think that you agree with that. Because you know what? If they censor me, they're going to censor you next for something that you care about, and you wouldn't like that. I'm sure of it. All right, so thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be looking at your comments below, and I'm going to make a video based on the comments that I see about this video. All right, you can say, you can of course write whatever you want, but I'm not going to publish things that say like, I love Call Me Chris and that vegan teacher is the bitch, because that's not going to help the world, right? Tell me if you've ever seen Call Me Chris allude to something about how animals matter. Tell me that. Tell me about your own lives, your own vegan journey. Tell me about that. Tell me about how you are trying to make this world a better place for the animals. What are you doing? Okay? Thanks so much. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.